Hey everybody, it's Jason. I'm eating my breakfast. I hope you're okay with that. I'm really hungry, and I wanted to do a video for my new friends from HAIRBOND, a company out of the United Kingdom, who sent me this really amazing men's molding product. They're they're in the UK, and isn't this logo? I'm just going to show you. Isn't this logo amazing? I'm totally into it. And look how amazing this package is. It's a new package. They wanted me to try their product out, so their New York office contacted me, their distributor in the States, and sent me my choice. So I picked the hair molder. You can go to hairbonduk.com, I believe, and check it out yourself. But I'm going to try this product out today for the first time. And so I wanted to give you a little idea about the molder before I use it. This is part one. Part two is going to be a video where I actually style some hair, and I'm going to use the hair molder. Yeah, I'm a Paul Mitchell guy, but HAIRBOND has been really nice to me by giving me this product, so I wanted to try it out. I wanted to put up a video, kind of see, you know, if I'm going to be able to use it in the future, if it'll work with my fine kind of textured hair, or what kind of hair it would work with. One moment here. Sorry, I need my coffee. I'm getting over a cold, so sorry everybody. So the hold strength is at the top of the chart. You can see there's a little hold strength, some digits, some dots there. And it says here that the molder is a unique, innovative styling product that creates chunky separations with a matte finish. Strong, flexible hold gives immediate grab and high density texture while thickening the hair's appearance. This product will give you the effect of wax, but without the shiny, greasy look. And also the really great thing about HAIRBOND is that they sent it in a really cool package for me. And first class, pretty much. Everything's first class. This is a really nice, thick, hard plastic puck. It's a larger than a normal puck size. The product looks like it's in a kind of a half moon shape bed here, but also there's a little lip at the bottom. So one of the great things that I like about the packaging, again, is it's really hard. So if you drop it, you're not going to shatter it. And if and you'll be able to, it'll bounce back. It's really sturdy. Plus, when you're doing styling, a lot of the times your hands get product all over them, and sometimes the puck will slip right out, hit the floor, and you have a lot of areas to grip on here, and the plastic itself is kind of matte, so I feel like that when I start using this, I'm going to have no problem holding on to it and won't slip off and hit the floor. So I'm going to try this later on today, so there'll be a part two to the video, but my thank you to the folks from HAIRBOND, and they contacted me on Twitter, so follow them on Twitter, HAIRBOND UK, HAIRBOND USA at Twitter. And I will continue with part two and give you a demo on a person, probably my brother, and show you what HAIRBOND did for his hair. Thanks, everybody, and I will talk to you soon.